Hi, this is Jonathan from George Group, and in this video we'll be helping you how to choose dining tables. Let's go! Firstly, you need to consider the width of the dining table. The minimum should be at least 80 centimeters, otherwise it will be too small for you to place your food. Then the length depends on how many people that you want to be seated on the dining table, as well as how big your dining room is. The surface choice of your dining table depends on your budget. If you really want the luxurious stones, it will cost you more. Secondly, you can also choose natural marble, which has a very nice texture. For more cost-effective choices, you can either go for artificial marble or slate stone. Slate stone is now in China where resistance, high temperature resistance, and also scratch resistance, which is a very good option for you. For the dining table legs, we prefer that you go for a simple pattern, otherwise it will affect the sitting position of your sitting chairs, such as the solid wood, stainless steel. Those are much simpler and much more convenient for your dining table. Other materials that can be used for dining chairs consist of fabric, solid wood, and leather. I personally recommend leather for you because not only is it comfortable but also easy to clean and also durable. For more furniture knowledge, remember to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs like. That's it for today. Bye bye.